In your resource pack, you will find the puzzle pages. These are based on our Montessori infant toddler materials. The initial puzzles are single puzzles, single shapes. They are used to teach the shape and the colour. Traditionally, we work with the knob of the puzzle to introduce the pincer grasp. And we show the child how to trace around the shape. The puzzle has a frame and an inset, and the inset fits into the frame. Circle. You will notice our very young children who are still using a palm grasp this way. And as I said, the shape fits in the frame. I can teach red, blue, yellow. For the purposes of your resource pack, the main aim of this activity is for you to introduce the shape and the colour. Your control page has a visual frame. You will need to cut out your shape. Circle. It fits inside the frame. You can show your child how to trace around the edge as it is raised. This is a blue circle.